Introducing the 2014 Mazda CX-5. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Style and versatility blend beautifully in this driver-focused CX-5 crossover. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.